Hi all, welcome to the third video session of color image processing. Today we are going to discuss pseudo color image processing, basics of full color image processing, color transformations, smoothing and sharpening, and we will go for multiple choice questions. Pseudo color image processing. Assign colors to gray values based on a specified criteria. For human visualization and interpretation of grayscale events, used as highlighters in order to attract attention. So pseudo color image processing consists of assigning colors of gray values based on a specified criterion. The term pseudo or false color is used to differentiate the process of assigning colors to monochrome images from the process associated with the true color images. The principal use of pseudo color is for human visualization and interpretation of grayscale events in an image or sequence of images. So there are two methods: intensity slicing and intensity gray level to color transformations. Intensity slicing. Here you can see the 3D view of intensity image. The technique of intensity slicing and color coding is one of the simplest examples of pseudo color image processing. If an image is interpreted as 3D function, the method can be viewed as one of placing planes parallel to the coordinate plane of the image. Each plane then slices the function in the area of intersection. Below this, in the image, you can see an example of using the plane at f of x comma y is equal to I suffix small I to slice the image function into two levels. Pseudo color image processing consists of assigning colors of grayscales to based on specific criteria. If a different color is assigned to each side of the shown in the previous figure, in this figure, and any pixel whose intensity level is above the plane will be coded with one color, and any pixel below the plane will coded with other level that lie on the plane itself, may be arbitrarily assigned one of the two colors. The result is two color image whose relative appearance can be controlled by moving the slice plane up and down the intensity axis. In general, technique may be summarized as follows. Let 0 to L minus 1 represents the grayscale. Let level I naught represent block f of x comma y is equal to 0, and level I of L minus 1 represent white f of x comma y is equal to L minus 1. Suppose that P plane perpendicular to the intensity axis are defined at the levels I1, I2, etc. IP. Thus, assuming that P is in between 0 and L minus 1, the P planes partition the grayscale into P plus 1 intervals. V1, V2, etc. Vp plus 1. Intensity to color assignments are made according to the relation f of x comma y is equal to ck if f of x comma y belongs to vk, where ck is the color associated with the kth intensity interval vk defined by the partitioning the planes at I is equal to k minus 1 and I is equal to k. The idea of plane is useful primarily. So S is equal to T of R, S is equal to C1 if R is less than I, otherwise C2 if R is greater than I. Example, S is equal to C1, blue B, if R is less than 90 or less than or equal to 90, or C2, yellow, if R is greater than 90. You can see the matrix table here. More slicing plane, you can get more colors. You can see from this diagram also. More slicing, more colors. So different applications, we can see the rainfall statistics. We can study the astronomical physics, weather forecasting. These are the different applications. Intensity slicing, piecewise linear transformation, general gray to color transformation. You can see from the diagram here. That is piecewise linear transformation. This is gray level to color transformation. The functional product diagram of pseudo-color image processing, FR, FG and FB are fed into the corresponding red, green and blue inputs of RGB color monitor. Okay, these are the different applications you can see here. Pseudo-color enhancement by using the gray level to color transformations. Gray level to color transformations. You can see from the diagram. First, they were gray level here and they are transferred to color here. So combine several monochrome images, example multispectral images. Okay, combining several monochrome images, that is different spectral images. RGB to CMY conversion, secondary colors of light used to generate odd copy output. That is matrix CMY is equal to matrix 111 minus RGB. Here you can see the mixtures of light additive primaries. Converting from RGB to HSI, given a color as RG and B, its HSI and values are calculated as H is equal to theta if B is less than or equal to G. Otherwise 360 minus theta if B is greater than G. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 R minus G plus R minus B by square root of R minus G whole square plus R minus B into G minus B. Saturation is calculated by this equation. S is equal to 1 minus 3 by R plus G plus B into minimum of R comma G comma D. Intensity I is given as I is equal to 1 by 3 of R plus G plus B. Converting from HSI to RGB. Given a color as HS and I, its RGB values are calculated as follows. In RG sector, H is in between 0 and greater than 0 and less than or equal to 130 degree. B is equal to I into 1 minus S. R is equal to, R is calculated as I into 1 plus S cos H by cos of 60 minus H. G is equal to 1 minus R plus B. In the GB sector, H is in between 120 and 240 degree. H is equal to H minus 120. R is equal to I into 1 minus S. G is equal to I into 1 plus S cos H by cos of 60 minus H. B is equal to 1 minus R plus G. In BR sector, H is in between 240 and 360 degree. H is equal to H minus 240. G is equal to I into 1 minus S. B is equal to I into 1 plus S cos H by cos of 60 minus H. R is equal to 1 minus G plus B. So we'll go for multiple choice questions. Converting from RGB to HSI, the formula used to get H is B, that is H is equal to theta and 360 plus theta. If B is less than or equal to G, if B greater than G, theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 r minus G plus r minus B by r minus G whole square plus r minus B into G minus B to the power of 1 by 2. The value of S can be calculated with the given values of RBG using the dash form. That is S is equal to 1 minus 3 by R plus GB R plus G plus B into minimum of R comma G comma B, that is A. Converting from HSI to RGB formula is to get the value of R of RG sector, which is in between 0 and 120 degree sector. The answer is C, that is R is equal to I into 1 plus S cos H by cos of 60 minus H. Converting from HSI to RGB, the formula is to get the value of B of GB sector, H is in between 120 and 240 degree, H is equal to H minus 120. The answer is B, that is B is equal to 1 minus R plus G. Converting from HSI to RGB, the formula is to get the value of R of BR sector, H is in between 240 and 360 degree, H is equal to H minus 240. The answer is C, that is R is equal to 1 minus G plus B. Okay, fine, thank you. We will stop the session now.